Hi darlings, happy holidays. For a limited time, you can shop the best beauty deal around, and that is the Sephora Favorites Kit with 6 samples inside from some of their top brands. You're definitely gonna wanna shop this high value bag of goodies now for a low price before they sell out. I love that this is an all-in-one type of gift just in time for the holidays, and I really love that you can get a kit for a great value just starting at $8. So what's so wonderful about this? This is a great way to try some of Sephora's products or maybe gift a loved one because the samples inside are so good. So let's take a look at what's inside. We have a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. So cute, travel friendly, of course. And it looks like it's just a really fine loose setting powder. We have Rin Skincare AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum. I am currently using a body cleanser from Rin Skincare, and I'm telling you, it is so wonderful. We have up next is the Whey Hair Oil. I have never tried the Whey's hair products, but I have tried their body products, and I must say I'm obsessed. There is one of my favorites, Caudalie Vino Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser. It is a lightweight gel-based cleanser, really great for all skin types, very gentle. We have Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, really rich, dark, fluffy brush. Ooh, a fragrance from Versace called Bright Crystal. I can smell as soon as I open the package, it has a very floral, beautiful fragrance. So for me, one of the best things about when you grab one of these kits is that inside there's a 15% off voucher for each one of these products. So when you fall in love with it, you can get a 15% off the purchase towards a full-size product, which is fabulous. I really love that. And thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you have a beautiful and safe holiday. Bye.